Clauses. No, wait, that's not right. Clauses. Clauses. A clause. A clause is a group of related words with a subject and a predicate. But what is a subject and a predicate? A subject is a noun and the related words, the who or what is doing. The predicate is the action or state of being and the related words. What is he, she, or it doing? For example, lobsters pinch is a clause. It has a subject, lobsters, and a predicate, pinch. Look at the example below. Santa delivers. Is Santa delivers a clause? You decide. Pause the video. If you decided that Santa was the subject and delivers was the predicate, therefore Santa delivers is a clause, you're correct. Excellent. Clauses come in two varieties, independent and dependent. An independent clause has a subject, a predicate, and represents a complete thought. It can stand on its own. Look at our examples from earlier. Lobsters pinch. Lobsters pinch is an independent clause because it expresses a complete thought. Santa delivers is also an independent clause because it expresses a complete thought. Now, let's look at dependent clauses. Like a baby in his blanket, it depends on something else. A dependent clause has a subject and a predicate, but it does not represent a complete thought. You can recognize a dependent clause because it begins with a subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction connects and shows the relationship between two clauses that are not equally important. The list in green shows subordinating conjunctions, words like after, before, if. If a subordinating conjunction is at the beginning of a clause, it makes the clause dependent. As lobsters pinch is a dependent clause because it begins with the subordinating conjunction as. Since as is at the beginning, it no longer expresses a complete thought. The same thing happens when you place while before Santa delivers. It no longer expresses a complete thought. Therefore, it's now a dependent clause. The insertion of a subordinating conjunction to the beginning of the clause forces that clause to depend on more information in order to express a complete thought. This is important because clauses are the building blocks of sentences. By arranging independent and dependent clauses in different ways, you create all different types of sentences.